see one of the charts. Okay, and then we will proceed. We will do this as a test. Direct test, so don't shout out the answers. You have to tell me what you feel about the chart. You can see it is possible that you see some candle type, or it's possible that you can see some chart pattern. Okay, or you see some indicator going up, down. So what I will do is I'll just, you don't need to put up any specific indicator or no indicator right now. Let me see what I'll wait for 30 seconds roughly. देखो मगर प्यार से स्टॉक इसको. Either chart pattern or a candle type. Done? Anyone also share? Yes? Yes? Shatrugna? हाँ. Double bottom दिख रहा है क्या everyone? 1, 2. Designer cup. This handle is yet to be prepared in the process. Ah. And is there also at the almost end of this small down move? The volumes on the green candle are weak. Correct? So not worth jumping into it because volumes on the green candle, the big green candle are not that great. So for that, we check 2 more points. RSI, sorry, MACD. Oh, monthly candle लागलेला आहे. On a monthly candle there was a morning star, by the way. And then in that case, now one very important point, by the way. Everyone please pay attention. That was a monthly candle, right? Now, can I conclude that the volumes are low for this candle, doji candle? My question is, for the doji candle, can I conclude that volumes are very less? Not yet. Why? It's a monthly candle, it's not yet closed. It will close at the end of May. At the end of the month, correct? So one more important point, correct? So going back to the daily candle. So it is a जाओ भाई, जा नहीं रहा है. एक मिनट. नहीं होते थे कंट्रोल करना ज़्यादा लगता. ओके. ओके. Slightly information. यहाँ से. Kind of. So maybe this is your trend line in that case. I'll have to redraw that. Something like this. So he said it is more like a double top also. 1, 2. And inside that double top you have a double bottom. Correct, man. But finally, can I say this is like, if you remember, the other day I was not able to give you an example for a support line, which is a slanting support. Correct? So this is a classic example of a slanting support line. Everyone clear? So on a monthly basis, if it is closing below this, then it can go downward. Otherwise, I can say it is at a very strong support right now. Okay? Yes. If you go on a daily candle frame. Oh. Now we have our support defined anyways. On a daily candle frame, what can you see? Huh? Oh, this short resistance. This one. Okay. Anything else? MACD crossover almost. Correct? And the volume of this candle is very high. Shall we check how much is RSI? RSI is also almost nearing 60, I guess. 60, 61. Right? So keep this on your watch list. This one, like, this is not exactly like a hammer, to be honest. It's more of a doji. The body of the candle is pretty okay. Maybe we can qualify. This is more of a hammer. Alright? Yes. Volume is very good. We'll also take the super tight. Oh, because this was cut by this. It was turning bearish, but it has given a breakout here. So tell me, when will this be bullish? When will it come back to green? When this line is ऊपर जाएगा. When the body closes above that on a closing basis, then it will again turn green. Will make sense. Maybe till then MACD crossover might have happened. Then it will be with more conviction. Correct? Yes. So now with so many trends indicators, we are just left with one last type, which is the flag and pole formation. We will come to this flag and pole. Shall we start? Okay, I'm going to cover all these at one shot. Why I will tell you. You have all these different names. Flag, pennant, ascending triangle, descending triangle, wedges, lots and lots of names. If you want to even see the notes, you'll see here, this is what pole and flag or flag and pole and pennant. Okay, first let's go through the names, whatever is pending. Then you have something like ascending, descending triangle. Just look at the diagrams also, you will find they are very similar. Okay, that's why we're going to take it together. Then after that you will have rising and falling wedges. That is it. 3 major points that we have to cover. Okay, but now I want to tell you one common point between all these three. One common point between all these three is that there is some sort of trend. Okay, there is some sort of trend. Then there is a sideway movement, and that sideway movement is breaking out. Okay, so in all patterns, be it flag and pole, be it wedges, be it triangle, everywhere we talk about some sort of consolidation, some sort of sideway movement and breakout. Breakout either on the upside or breakout on the downside. So not only logically, if we see here now one by one, this is clear because earlier one basis I'm going to do all the charts now. Tell me what is the basis? One common point between everything that we are going to study right now. There is a sideway and there will be a breakout. Acha, now tell me logically. Sideways can happen in many times, in many types. It can be an exact parallel sideway and breakout, let us say, exact parallel, or it could go something like this, where the range is narrowing and breakout. Okay. Or it could be something like this is same, but this is narrowing and breakout. So what is the difference between this and this? Here the bottoms are almost similar and the tops are decreasing. Here the tops are almost similar and the bottoms are increasing. Finally, we are in a sideways trend only. And that sideways consolidation is broken, either upside or downside. Everything's clear here? Yes. Now what's happening now? Flag and pole. Actually visualize a jhanda, a flag. This is the pole and this is the cloth of the flag. This to be precise. Or something like this. What is this? Sideways trend. And it is broken. So it will continue. So what is the flag and pole pattern? It was an upside. Then there was some sideways and there is an upside. So can I say flag and pole is more of which type of pattern? Reversal or continuation? This is a continuation pattern. Okay. So upside or up move, consolidation and again up move. Correct? Exact opposite will be what, tell me? It will be a down flag. Down flag. Down move. So it was falling. Then you see some consolidation. Sideways basically, yes. And then again, down move continues. Correct? What is the difference between a flag and a pennant? Correct. This is exactly parallel, this is not exactly parallel. It is narrowing down on the gap. So again understand. See, we are not learning this for giving any exam. If you want to give an example, you should know, write down the difference between pennant and flag. When I say like this flag and like this flag, that's also okay. You need to just know visually how does it look like, how does it work, that's it. Simple? Yes. So pennant is same, up move, then a narrowing down flag. And because there's a breakout, then the up move will continue. Right? What will happen with that downside pennant, tell me? There's a downtrend. Then what happens, tell me? Consolidation. Parallel consolidation or narrowing down consolidation, and then a breakdown, and then the downward trend continues. Super easy. Yes. Now without telling you what is the price target and all that, first let us move on to the next one, because you will find all these are very similar. And then it will be easier for us to remember how to calculate the targets. So let me take you to the next one. Then we have ascending and descending triangle. Okay, so shall we move on? Ascending and descending triangle. So let's see how the ascending and descending triangle looks like. What is happening? You will tell me. Here, we are not defining what is happening before the consolidation. Are we defining what is happening before? It could be slight uptrend or whatever. If I'm talking about triangles, ascending triangle or descending triangle, there can be some up move, there can be some down move before it, but it's not something which is determining it. It may be there and it may not be there. Typically what happens is the cloth, what is we want to focus on. What is happening in ascending triangle, you will tell me? Higher highs and identical, higher lows and identical peaks. Can I say this is very much like that pennant only? It's closing down. What is the only difference happening? There has to be an uptrend, and then that pole was being formed basically. Here the pole is not relevant. Maybe there, pole may not be there. It can be a little bit of upward, then again sideways, thoda upward, whatever. This does not matter. In an ascending or descending triangle, what does matter? What matters to me? The actual triangle. Okay, so here what is happening? The lows are higher and the peaks are constant. That's an ascending triangle. What is a descending triangle? Lows are lower and identical. Highs are lower and identical lows. Lower highs and lows are almost similar. Can I say this is also very much like the pennant only? Yes. But what was different with the pennant? First we defined the downtrend. There was a pole. First pole, then this, and then another point to be checked. Breakout and then the downward journey. So in simple words, to be honest, even if you don't remember, okay, this is a flag, this is a pole, and this is a triangle. It's what was the common point in all three? There was a sideways trend, either a parallel sideway or a closing down sideway, either closing from upside or closing from downside, and there was a breakout. Khatam. Let's not go into these names also. No need to remember. Simple. And what is the next one? Next one is rising and falling wedges. Rising and falling wedges. Now here we are saying that breakout can happen in any place. So what's happening here is that again same thing here. Initially there is some up move. Then here you can see higher lows and higher highs. So now you say, oh, so in the earlier one it was maybe higher highs but lows were similar. Or see one side was similar if you remember, and the other side was moving. Here what is happening? Both are moving. Hardly matters, right? Correct? So finally it's this cloth, or it is this cloth, or it is this cloth, or it is this cloth. Somewhere it is narrowing down or it is going parallel. That's it. Don't go into remembering all these names. Not so important. Okay? Yes. So again what is happening? Understand that this is in a channel. Everyone agrees. But where is the channel broken? Upward side or downward side? Downward side. So we will call this as a continuation pattern, or we will call this as a reversal pattern. This is a reversal pattern. Correct? Here same old story. 1, 2, 3, and then lower highs, lower lows. Tick, 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 tick. But it is breaking on the upside. So this is a continuation pattern. Simple. Okay, now here it was going down. Again, stuck up in a range. Broke on the downward side. What is this? Continuation or reversal? Continuation, because here it was a downward journey. Consolidation and again downward journey. Continuation. Here this will be a reversal. Very easy. So tell me some trend, consolidation, either trend continues or trend reverses. That's it. Now only point which we need to know is how to calculate the target. Is this okay? Shall we move on to targets now? Yes. Alright. So everyone focus. Now what does the flag theory tell us? Flag theory tells us that from the start of this up move, let us say this is the immediate up move, or ideally can I say this is the true start of the up move. Because here till here there was a consolidation. From here it has started to up move. Started with this up move journey, little bit retracement and continuing. So assume that either, so possibility number one, to be more optimistic, I can say from here there is an upward journey. Or if you want to play safe, you can say from here to at least from this point it is clearly upward journey. Everyone agrees? Yes. If I am saying from here the pole has been formed, then whatever is the pole, So I'll draw it here. Okay, 1 minute. I'll tell you the simple one. So this is the sideways movement, and this is the pole. Assume this is 100 points. Aggressive traders say from where it will be 100 points after the breakout. A little bit conservative traders say that we will place the 100 points not from the top side of the cloth but from the bottom side of the cloth. So we count 100 from here. So it might end here only. Are you getting me? Yes. So quickly tell me one more time. How do we calculate the target price? First there is a pole. Well, there is a pole means there is an upside. Then there is a sideway trend. That is our cloth. And then the cloth is broken on the upper side. Then whatever is the height of the pole, that will be our target price. But target price from where? Very optimistic from the upside of the cloth. Be a little bit pessimistic from the downside of the cloth. That's it. Is this understood? Shall we check for flag and pole? How it works? See this. IRCTC. Yes, IRCTC here you can see. There was a till there is a sideways trend. Again this, here is a sideways. And from here it started its upward journey. Correct, no? So that's why we have taken this as a arrow. Then there is a side movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So is this a proper flag? Or is this like a little bit of our this sort of flag? Pennant, wedge, ascending, kuch bhi bolo. We will call it a flag only. Is that okay? Yes? It will be a little bit sorted. Alright. So flag, and then we have a breakout also. Yes, absolutely we have a breakout. One this tested, this there was a clear cut breakout, and this target, even if I take it from the upper side of the cloth, still it is met. No, the volume for I need to check it. Because I feel this volume is this one. Achha, breakout volume you are saying. Okay, this volume is compared to the previous one. Correct, agreed. Clear? Simple. Can you go to the next example? Next example, FA 1.2 का निमात्री specialty. Okay, there is an up move followed by a sideway and look at the breakout. Very convincing breakout with good volumes. Whatever was this up move added up here reached. ठीक है? This one and this one. Are you able to see this? Very good observation. Down flag. But it needs to be broken now. So this is the up move. So either side it will be broken. Let's see which side. No, see from here it is going up only, guys. No, not that. Oh, this one you are seeing, original first one. It is not, see, so again, like I said on day one, every time you will not find textbook examples. This one is more a textbook. This is, you have to keep your mind open. Giving you both. Okay? Failure. Which is this? Polycap. So if you see, there's such a beautiful sideways trend. Once it broke, it came down. Second time it broke, and it came down. Still you have to test the third time. So there can be failures as well, of course. Okay? Oh, by the way, what could be a stop loss for this? So simple stop loss, either you can put this flag. So this is the breakout, right? This is going to be the breakout ideally. It should have been green, of course. Assume from here it is the breakout. So here again this candles low can be one stop loss. Some aggressive people will say we keep the down cloth as a stop loss. So depends. Theory may there are multiple. Some people will keep this. Anyways, whatever suits in your risk reward, you can keep it. Is it okay? Yes. Can we go on? So that is it about the flag pattern and the examples we have covered. Proper flag also and pennant also. Parallel wala, going short wala. Second one is the ascending and descending triangle. So here, as I mentioned, the primary move is not that very clear. It might be a little bit up move, a little bit sideways, whatever. But here you can see a clear cut squeeze in triangle. Okay, and then there will be a breakout. So let us see here. Oh, nifty again. Taza banaya hai. Yesterday only I made this. See, bottom is almost similar, and the tops are coming down and down and down and down. These are so lower highs and similar lows. And this was directly a gap down. So triangle, descending triangle got broken with a gap down. I want you to tell me which gap down is this. Breakaway gap down, continuation gap down, exhaustion gap down. Why breakaway? Continuation बाद में आया तो बाद में बताओ. Why this is? It has broken the support or the resistance. That is why breakaway. Here we had a support, no? And this support was broken with this big gap. That is also a breakaway gap. So it's very hard to, now filling this gap will be a challenge. It's a breakaway gap. That will take time. So typically where have people shorted it? Maximum it is this level where the shorting has happened stickily. And that is why this big gap down, no? And this is somewhere around, we'll have to see in the chart, somewhere around 16,900 looks like. Yes, very well identified. Shoulder. Again a shoulder. And this head is something like this, but this head has a little bit of partition. And do you know this target has been already met? You've seen Thursday live stream? You missed it. You have gone to summer camp. So sweet. My son was also going for a summer camp yesterday. So here, if you can I just cut this for the timing? Shall we tell me how to draw? See, this is also head and shoulder, by the way. Yesterday we saw this and this one. We'll try to see this head and shoulder now. Okay, how to draw head and shoulder? Tell me. No, इधर नहीं, खाली इधर हाँ. Head and shoulder हाँ. So this is like a shoulder. It's getting the neckline for me. Can you see that? So here it actually broke somewhere here. And then there's a look at this gap down. You want to measure this gap down? Wow, only 500 points gap down. Right? Now, how do I calculate? See, from here, I'll be a little bit precise. From here, correct now? Then I'll copy till where? I'll copy this, right click, clone. And to here, let us see where it is coming to. OMG, look at this. Exactly this point. I'll just zoom in for you. Look at this. This is the low point of the candle. Amazing. It's a beautiful one. Correct? That was I have my notings there. What stats? 23rd, 24th Feb. And we had some news coming in on 14th Feb. everything in red. Red roses and red market. 14 Feb. Okay, ठीक है? So going back again. This is also now clear that this is again an ascending triangle. Again sideways, it's coming down. So now how do we calculate the target here? See, because here there is no clear trend if you can see before the consolidation starts. It's a little bit sideways, a little bit down, again sideways. So for that, how do we calculate the target? Start point of this consolidation. Are you with me? Start point of this consolidation I'll add up here to the end, to the breakout, this breakout. From the neckline, I'll add it up here till here. So almost met. Almost met. No, that is what I'm saying. This, which one? Previous one? Huh? This one. So this one and this one. That's small only, no? Or you want this entire one? The smaller one. This, I'm sorry. Like this. Can be called. A very shorter time frame, but can be called. Okay, so I have to understand how to define the target from here to here, from here to here. Okay? Where is your cup? With multiple compartments. Oh, this? No. Oh, this is the cup. Your cup and handle are almost same. Too much about money. Okay. Last one maybe. Again, I hope you understood this. Consolidation, whatever is the start, you added up here. And again, halfway through can be a stop loss. Or maybe the breakout candle low. Now you know the stop loss, right? Breakout candle low can be stop loss. Again, same. This is on the downward side. And there was this breakdown. Met pretty late, but yes, met. Oh. Mm-hmm. This one, isn't it? Yes. Surely looks like an island or something. Nothing here. Many gaps. But the name itself suggests. Adani stocks are going to give you loads of experiences. Okay, Venki's, I told you right now. Coming to our final one, rising values, falling values. Story repeat telecast. See, there was a consolidation, correct? And here, kind of a breakout, not a very clear breakout though, but it has been met. Okay? Then again, same point, big rally, then a consolidation. But did it break out or it broke down on the lower side? Broke down on the lower side, so ideally you should not have taken the trade only. Correct? Because no breakout on the upper side. Clear? Now I think comes a super interesting and super important part. Because we have learned so many things till now. Today we talked about a lot of chart patterns. We talked about head and shoulder, we talked about inverse head and shoulder, we talked about double bottom, we talked about double top. We talked about cup and handle, we talked about the rounding bottom, we talked about the flags, the pennants, the wedges, the triangles, everything. And today's day was special because we understood that in all these chart patterns, the price target is very well defined. The chart pattern itself says this should be a target price, this should be a stop loss. Simple. But if the pattern or if a candle or if an indicator doesn't tell us what should be the stop loss, that also we have understood today. How to put a stop loss, that is also clear. But now the big question is that, okay, I'm a working professional and I don't have all the time on the earth to scan 500 charts every day, MACD crossover, MACD crossover. After 1 hour of searching, he has a problem maybe. Problem कसं शोधणं कसं म्हणजे? बरं का ना? कसं करायचं? Okay, so if I were to search MACD crossover, if I were to search RSI above 60, then it would be amazing. Like in screener, like in fundamental analysis, we can run a query and we can get the stocks ready made. Okay, these are fitting into your screeners. If there had been a screener for technical analysis, such an amazing thing, na? Life would have been much more easy. And when I taught technical analysis 1.0, even I did not know that something like this exists. So it was not there in technical analysis 1.0. But in the last 3 years, okay, I learned something, and of course, it is my responsibility to share it with you. So today now, the most important point comes up is that if I were to filter out stocks, can I just simply write something? No coding required. Basic things, MACD line, crosses signal line, RSI above 60, okay, or ADX above 25. If I were to just run scan, amazing. Shall we learn that? Yes, please. Okay, so let us understand how to run these scans, and for that I have taken 3-4 strategies. Okay, these strategies you will see in your notes in the app. Okay, but for now, we will go to the EQ and all that. But right now, because all these are fresh in your mind, I thought I should be taking this first. I'm just changing the sequence for teaching right now. All right. These are the strategies that let's try and test. Okay. Can your strategy be different? Your strategy can be different if you want. If you feel, I don't want RSI above 60. Okay, so John Bush have taken this 55. Okay, because I just wanted to tell you that it's not necessary that it has to be over 60. There's no law which says it has to be over 60. So if 55 works for you, why not? I want to see MACD bullish crossover. I want to see RSI crosses above 55. And I also want that this day's volume is higher than 10-day SMA volume. Okay, can you add many more points also? Yes. Can you add something like a market capitalization? The point that I told you. If you want to do it for fun, you can do mid caps and small caps also. If you're okay becoming an investor after a failure, then go ahead with only large capitalization stocks. So if you want, you can also add plus market cap is greater than whatever you want. Say 50,000 crores. Then it will be only large caps. If you say 15,000 crores, it will be mid caps and large caps. Whatever. If you want, you can add this also. But the question is how to search. How to